I'm Manoj Kumar Jha, Assistant Professor of English, Nandan Sanskrit College, Isapur, Madhubani. It's a constituent unit of Kameswar Singh Sanskrit University, Darbhanga. Today, we are going to discuss essay writing. Actually, the lecture today is the continuation of my previous one on the topic. The lecture is important for final year students of the university. How unity is to be secured. Unity is the most important thing in an essay. Unity in an essay implies three things, at least: relevancy, proportion, and arrangement. Relevancy, you must be knowing the meaning of the word. Relevancy means close connection with subject you are writing. How is relevancy to be secured? Before you begin to write, you must note carefully the wording of the subject set and convince yourself that you have understood its scope, meaning, making it neither too narrow nor too broad, nor allowing your thoughts to wander away from the point. Means relevancy means before you begin to start writing your essay, your thoughts should not wander, your words should not wander. Proportion means the correct relationship between the parts of a whole. The observance of proportion is as necessary to an essay as to a picture. It consists in giving to each part of the essay as much prominence as is due to its comparative importance. Means proportion, proportion means correct relationship between the parts of a whole. Now third, subdivision of an essay into paragraphs. This one is very important. Subdivision of an essay into paragraphs. An essay should always be subdivided into paragraphs, and in a short essay, the paragraph should be correspondingly short. Now 3 points for paragraphs. A paragraph should deal with one main subject at a time and not with more than one. The main purport, you must be knowing the meaning of the word purport. Purport means meaning. The main meaning of the paragraph on which its unity stands or depends is called the theme. If the paragraph does not wander away from the point, there ought to be no difficulty in forming a short sentence or phrase which will describe what the theme or main purport is. Means, if a paragraph does not wander away from the point, there ought to be no difficulty in forming short sentences. Means, you can express your ideas in a better way by writing short sentences. The sentence or phrase so framed should stand at the beginning of the paragraph to which it relates. Now finally, arrangement of paragraphs. The paragraphs of an essay should be so arranged that the mind of the reader will be carried forward by an easy transition from the subject of one paragraph to that of another. Means, arrangement of paragraphs means the paragraphs of an essay should be arranged in such a beautiful way so that the reader's mind should be carried forward from the subject of one paragraph to another without any confusion. In this way, we have seen today some important basics of essay writing. That's all for now. Thank you.